Hey, this is Dave at HouseBarons.com. Today our project is to clean up the driveway. We're getting ready to fill the cracks and reseal it, but before we can do that we got to pressure wash it because this driveway has had no real care in the past 10 years or so, and it may be a little bit too late, but we're going to try to fix it up and make it good. So what we're going to do today, our job is just to power wash the driveway and especially to clean out the cracks so we can get those cracks sealed. And we got this Troy-built 850EX power washer, and if we can get started, we're gonna make it happen. So let's go. Check out this link right up there. We got a video on how to use this, turn it on, how it, all its features. If you don't have a power washer, this is a nice one.
If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Clyde?
All right, that was the first step of this cleaning process, and we're basically just getting rid of the dirt and the gravel inside the cracks and giving the top a decent cleaning. And then next thing is to go ahead and fill the cracks. And once we get the cracks filled, then we can seal it. So a little bit more work still to go. Today we're going to go ahead and continue our process. The first step was to power wash everything. Now, of course, more than a couple days have passed between the power washing and now, so we got to just at least sweep out the cracks, get any of the leaves and stuff out. I saw a couple cracks that have some moss in them that didn't come out even when we power washed it. I'm going to scrape those out with a screwdriver, but once we get all the cracks touched up a bit, we'll go ahead and apply the product. We have two different kinds of crack sealer. One is it's inexpensive, it's temporary. It'll do for this winter. It'll fill the cracks, keep the ice out, and that's more of a temporary solution. This is our first product. This is the more temporary. It's made by Sealcoat, and it's Elastomeric Portable Driveway Crack Sealer. All right, so we're gonna try the portable crack sealer. So it needs to be above 50 degrees for 48 hours. No rain, upcoming rain. The crack can be 3/4 of an inch or less, 1/4 inch deep. So it's not super difficult. It's just a matter of pouring in the crack. And I'm gonna do most of the vertical cracks with this. The horizontal cracks are bigger because they tend to hold more water, and so we're going to use the other stuff on the horizontal, the ones that go from side to side. There are several big cracks in the middle of the driveway that we're going to do that way. All right, now I've got this old blade, and I'm just going to make sure things are, fair, just level. The second product we have is more permanent. It has a lifetime guarantee, so it's a lot more expensive, but lifetime guarantee comes with a price. Our second solution is this Latex-ITE Pli-Stix. It's made by Latex-ITE, and you can go check them out on their website or on Amazon. We'll have a link in the description below. If you're looking for it, this says it's 3 easy steps. You clean it, you pack it, and you melt it. And so it's a little bit extra work, a little bit extra cost, but we'll see how it does. All right, so this can just get packed right in those grooves, especially if it's just the right size. If the crack is bigger, then you can go ahead and add an additional line next to it. So here where we have a little bit bigger hole, we're just adding a bit more to fill in where there's really a pretty big void. And you can see how it's gotten very liquid. It goes from the rope like that to just like a little river that fills the crack.
The sealer that we used is called Jet Coat Asphalt Sealer, and we're Amazon affiliates. We'll have links in the description below for all the products we use in this video.
All right, well, this is definitely a DIY job. You save yourself tons of money. This took us about three and a half hours to just seal it, and probably another 3 hours when we did the original crack filling. This driveway was in pretty rough shape. It's been a while, but we're caught up now, and this should last us a decent number of years. Thanks a lot for watching. If you got anything out of this, give us a thumbs up, like it. We really appreciate it. It helps our videos along. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got lots more videos coming, and we'll see you next time.